Hi and welcome to a Mustad tips and tricks video. Today we're going to be welding a rasp into a shoe. We're going to be using an Equilibrium air shoe. I fitted the shoe already to the horse, and now first tip, with one solid blow, narrow the shoe up. This is going to ensure that when you jump the rasp in, you spread the shoe, it's going to be its original shape. So now we're going to mark the rasp to create the bar. So we mark one outside of the shoe and then one inside of the shoe. This is going to ensure that when we weld the shoe, the rasp is going to be central to the shoe. This allows our scarf to work through into the outer aspect. Once you've cut your rasp to shape and your shoe to shape, rest your rasp on top of your shoe and put them both in the fire. It's important that when you bring the rasp and the shoe out, that they're both at the same temperature. You need 2 pairs of tongs, a 10mm and a 6mm. 6mm for grabbing the rasp. Take the shoe out of the fire. Place hooks on top of the rasp and on top of the shoe. Then find the position again where you want the rasp to be. There we go. And place it back in the fire. For your next stage, you're going to need a 12mm pair of tongs. Grab the shoe out of the fire. We'll use the 12mm tongs to grab the rasp. It separates, don't worry about that. Now it's tapped in and welded. Not fully welded, just raised. You can see how that's on there quite securely now. So at this stage, we flux up again. One side, flux up again, the other side, and on the inside of each branch. So now I'm going to start the welding process, and I'm going to start heeling away from myself. So here we go. Repeat the welding process until all scarves have gone. As you see now, I've run a fuller through it to give me a bit more width on the outside. And yeah, there we go. So there's the finished job. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.